Now, the purpose of television is famously said to be to inform, educate, and entertain. But let's be honest, the last one is the most fun, and there's a reason primetime doesn't get invited to parties. Here to present the award for entertainment from Damo and Ivor, its star, Andy Quirke, and from everywhere, because she's everywhere right now, Vogue Williams.
Everyone, I hope you're having a good night. Okay, so these are big shows, proper ratings winners. We've the guys from Ireland AM bonding with their buddies on the couch. We've got Baz bonding with his mommy over a collection of near-death experiences. And we've got Imelda May, a girl from the Liberties, making great music.
And on The Voice, a bunch of people taking liberties out of great music. Have a look at the nominees.
50 Ways to Kill Your Mammy.
The plan is to get me mammy riding one of these oversized chickens.
That is getting up on the
You can just push on his shoulder.
Wait
You
now
want to
for
help?
a minute.
It's going to be on both sides.
No, just
They're
one.
going to walk with you. They won't run.
Oh, Jesus, no.
The Imelda May Show.
Name their kid Cody.
I had a guinea pig named after me. Yeah.
Is it nice?
My double bass player's mother's guinea pig, yeah.
Ireland AM.
You tell your own parents. Not even going to look down. They don't want it to fall.
The Voice of Ireland.
And the IFTA goes to 50 Ways to Kill You!
Oh, wow. If I mess up this speech, it's only because Amanda mentioned my mother, me, and a dildo in a sentence. It's become quite visual. There's so many people to thank. None of this would have happened without Noel Kelly, NK Management. Brilliant. Like, you kind of only need one person to believe in you, but I had two, Niamh and Noel, so I love you guys. You're brilliant. Egg Post Productions, Gary Shorthall, Malcolm, Ollie Oslin, everyone in there. We came in there broke with no money and they still let us in, I think, for some cruel entertainment. But they were brilliant. They've just been amazing. To Clive Tullow, our partner with Burning Bright, who's been amazing. To Sky, in particular, Siobhan Mulholland, who was nuts enough to go for a show called 50 Ways to Kill Your Mammy. You're bananas, but I love you. You're brilliant. To Barry, who has been at this from the start. We did this all together, and who's an amazing, the best director and series producer around. To our family, who we abandon, Charlotte, Harry, Jake, Amelia, Mahi and Hannah. We love being away, but the best bit is always coming home. And to my Mrs. Tanya, she said to me before I left, please don't really kill her. You know how hard it is to get a good babysitter nowadays. But most of all, it feels a bit empty standing up here without Nancy, as she's in the Canaries on holidays. But for Nancy, thank you very, 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 very much.